Hi techies. I just want us to go through the HTML of this code. I already removed the styling, so no styling. This is just an HTML code. So we have our document. Our document is HTML. We all know that, and our language is English. The head consists of things you don't want to show. Everything from this emoji straight down to this place is what is in the body. So let's go to the body. Our body starts from here. So the first emoji that we're seeing here is either you copy. You can see some of the emojis I just copied and pasted, and some I used the text for them. So for this first emoji, this is that's um that's the emoji. That's the emoji. The emoji is in a paragraph. That's why it's not on the same line with this current weather in Lagos. You can either put the emoji in a paragraph or a div. You can use a paragraph or a div. And I used H1 for this text because I want it bold. We have H1 to H6. The higher your H whatever is, the smaller it becomes. Let's try that. So let's change this to H2 so we can see the difference. I have to give it a closing tag. So as you can see, the difference. This is smaller, but it's bold, but smaller. So that's how it reduces from H1 to H6. We don't have beyond that. So next line is also a paragraph. And in this paragraph, we can see we have, so we're on this paragraph already. In this paragraph now, we can see that we have the strong in it. So this strong makes your text bold, more like what the H1, H2 to 6 does. Strong make your text bold. It's not a self-closing element, it has a closing tag. And our BR is for spacing. It's a self-closing tag. That's why it does not have a closing tag. So to the next paragraph, we have the next day, which is tomorrow. That is also a strong in a paragraph. This paragraph starts from here and it ends all the way here. As you can see, our tomorrow is in strong because we want it bolder and some space. That's why we use our BR. It's a self-closing tag. So don't let us forget that. And the second, we also have strong here. That's why this is strong. This is bold. Strong makes your text bold. I hope that sinks. Then the next paragraph, you are seeing all these classes here because I used them to call each day and each sections of these elements in the styling to give it a particular feature. We'll talk about that in our next video. So just repetition of that from tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday. Then now we have our button. This is our button. So in our button we have change city. You can make your button work by using um JavaScript. You can give it a function with JavaScript. So that's that on that. And you can style it with your CSS. And here we are. For this part, you can either use a footer. If it's a website, you can use a footer, or you end it in a paragraph just like this. So that's all for the HTML part, or the HTML of this particular code, and we'll work on the CSS. We'll talk about the CSS in our next video. Thank you. Bye.